If the side is an even number, let us see what will happen if the side is an even number. If the side is an even number, if the side is an even number greater than 2, if the side is an even number greater than 2, if the side is an even number greater than 2, listen carefully. If it is an even number greater than 2, what is the lowest even number greater than 2? 4. If it is even number, square it and divide by 4. 16 by 4, 4. Subtract 1, add 1. 4, 3, 5. Subtract 1 and add 1. If it is an even number, square it and divide by 4. If it is 6, square it and divide by 4. 36 by 4, 9. Subtract 1, add 1. 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. If it is 8, square it and divide by 4. 64 by 4, 16. Subtract 1 and add 1. 8, 15, 17. Are you all with me? If it is 10, square it and divide by 4. 10 square divided by 4. 100 by 4, 25. Subtract 1 and add 1. 10, 24, 26. 10, 24, 26. Idea it is clear. If it is an odd number, square it and divide by 2. If it is an even number, square it and divide by 4. 6 square by 4, 8 square by 4, 10 square by 4. Like this, triplets will come if it is an even number. Let me write down the triplets. 3, 4, 5. 6, 8, 10. One of them is divisible by 3. One of them is divisible by 4. One of them is divisible by 5. 8, 15, 17. 15 is divisible by 3. 8 is divisible by 4. So then it is 10, 24, 26. So on and so forth. All these are also obeying this property. Very, very important. Any Pythagorean triplet, if you take, one of them is divisible by 3. One of them is divisible by 4. One of them is divisible by 5. This is an extremely important triplet. There is no triplet, no Pythagorean triplet which does not obey this property. You take any triplet which comes into your mind, 9, 12, 14, right? 9, 12, 14, which is a derivative of 3, 4, 5 into 3. At least one of the Pythagorean triplet, it is divisible by 3. At least one of them is divisible by 4. At least one of them is divisible by 5. I hope the idea it is clear.